Welcome to DDX Document Management Delivery System. This is a short clip on the DDX.Publisher's validation and auto lookup enhancement. Your document management system is already capable of capturing and delivering documents from your ERP or business system all automatically. But as your need to share and control other documents and files from other sources expands, the DDX.Publisher is the right tool to capture and catalog those files. To make that job easier and more accurate, we offer the validation and auto lookup enhancement for the DDX.Publisher. You may recall that there are a variety of ways to capture documents into your DDX document management system. First, there's our Programmer's Interface, or API. We also offer DDX-Port, a form recognition tool where you train DDX to recognize a type of form just once. From that point forward, users just print and DDX does the rest, faxing and or emailing and or printing that document, as well as archiving it with the appropriate keywords. The nice part about DDX-Port is that there are no modifications needed to the thing that's doing the printing. Therefore, it's a great tool for integration, and it works with pretty much any Windows program. But our primary topic today is the DDX.Publisher. This is a tool aimed at archiving pretty much any document or file you want. It's great for the ad hoc stuff that you archive and the low repeat kinds of documents. The objective with the Publisher is to allow you to assign keywords to an individual document and then archive that document away with those keywords. The user of the Publisher can get those documents from a whole variety of different sources. They can be paper that's been scanned in, they can be documents from Office, they can be other files that may exist on your computer or network somewhere. Once that user has assigned keywords, those documents are filed away. Now, it's important to remember the keywords are critical. They're critical to being able to search for those documents later, organize them, and set up relationships between disparate kinds of documents. So getting those keywords right is very important. The Publisher validation and auto lookup tool helps you. It improves the accuracy of assigning those keywords and at the same time can significantly reduce the data entry effort involved in doing so. So let's take a look at how it works. Here in the Publisher, I've selected a particular document that I want to archive. This is an invoice that we got from Bayside Bikes. First, I need to select the type of document that I want to publish. And in this case, I'm going to select the vendor invoice, and the keywords that are appropriate for that vendor invoice are displayed here. Notice that one of them is lit up a little bit differently. With the auto lookup validation enhancement, this is the prompt that we need to enter. So rather than enter all of those keywords individually, I'm going to enter just my information here. And I'm going to click the auto lookup button. And the system has gone out to a database and pulled in all of the appropriate keywords and mapped them here. And when I'm all done, all I need to do is save. And we move on to the next document. That previous document is now archived with all the keywords that are appropriate, and I'm all done. So what just happened here? One prompt is bolded in a little bit different color. That's telling me that that's the information that the auto lookup needs to find all of the other keywords. When I enter that information correctly, as I did before, and perform the auto lookup, all of this other information is retrieved from some external database. Any OLADB or ODBC compliant database works just fine. If I were to enter this information incorrectly and tell it to look up, you'll notice it comes back and gives me an error. It found no records. So we validated that information to make sure that it is correct and appropriate. I can have a library of different kinds of lookups that may look up information and validate information from different sources. So the user can choose what's appropriate for the document that they happen to be archiving. And you have the ability to create your own lookup sets so that they're appropriate for your organization. A lookup set does really a couple things for you. You can define what information to prompt the user for, what database to validate that information against, and what keywords to retrieve and bring back to DDX. This validation and auto lookup system has some pretty significant benefits to it. It greatly improves the accuracy of the keywords that you're assigning to any individual document, and it reduces the amount of data entry effort involved in doing so. In short, we hope to make life better with DDX. You can also look to Dash for other services related to DDX. We can help you with document flow review, consulting and training, or customization of DDX, ERP integration, or workflows. And you can look to Dash for Dash University, online free training anytime you need it. For more information on DDX, the DDX Publisher, or any other Dash products and services, please contact us today.